Welcome to Flip My Ride's Christmas special. I'm Adam, that is Jason from Streetcar Culture. Willowbank Raceway is hosting a motoring expo. Jason has sponsored an award, so he has flown up from Victoria, dragging me along for the adventure, but first we need supplies. Something a little bit different today. We're at an end of year Christmas bash held by Overtaking Lane. Go and check them out on YouTube. And we're down at Willowbank for basically a big get together and party of cars of all kind, car lovers of all kind. Doesn't seem overly big, which is nice. Hopefully it goes off and hopefully the rain doesn't affect us. We were going to go home, but I think we've gone and bought some $14 tents and we're going to stay the night. So we've got ourselves an esky in case we need some beers. We've got some sleeping bags and we'll see how we go. Here comes the man. Jason sponsored a trophy. What's the trophy for?
Tough Streeter, my choice.
Tough Streeter.
Tough Streeter.
Tough Streeter, his choice. So we're going to be looking as we go around today.
What do you got?
We're going to head on up and just drop some gear off at the Skid Factory's tent.
We're going to mingle, we're going to just start making it rain with stickers and t-shirts.
He's got the stickers and t-shirts, I've got nothing. Anyway, we'll go and have a look at the cars and let you come with us. The Motoring Expo offered timed 8-mile runs down the drag strip and an assortment of retailers and their merch. As the timed runs kicked off, we checked out the paddock and the show and shine. A Commodore running a Ford Barra. Love it. So hang around, folks, as I try to capture the spirit of the day, of the event, and the stories of those involved. Time to stop looking at the eye candy and check out what was lining up at the strip. You get it fixed?
Yeah.
What was wrong?
Oh, CV.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was ready for it. had a pair. So I'll do one pass now, and if it's good, I'm just going to leave it at that because I've got to drive home.
Luck. Good luck.
Cheers, man.
Cooked it, mate?
Oh, which one? The opposite one?
Probably.
Hopefully.
You didn't like it.
Hey?
You didn't like it.
Hey, buddy. Put it around underneath. What did you do the other side?
I don't know, but it doesn't. Is it? I can feel it. Is it spinning the other side?
No.
Oh.
No, you broke that CV in the boot. The boot's all torn up on the left side.
No.
Yeah.
That's the one you just replaced, isn't it?
Brand new.
Well, we'll take it back for a warranty.
Yeah, there's broken shit all in there. You see? He's live streaming this.
No, I'm not.
Oh, I've done this a few times. Yeah. I don't want to cut it open. I'll pull the boots off. That way, if I need a boot, I'll
Yeah,
just tie it on.
snip it on, yeah.
Zip tie a rag around it.
I'll see you out there again, maybe.
Yeah. Do you want, I can do a Libby bash for you if you want.
A what?
Do a Libby bash for you. That's about all it's good for now.
We'll pretend it's not broken first.
Don't blow it up.
You like Angel Motors?
Now you need to make it drive.
Oh, that's all right. But it's all built out of like second-hand bits and like stuff from friends, you know, like hand-me-downs and like.
That's how you do it, mate. The price of these now, mate, you got to do it that way.
Yeah.
Beautiful, mate.
It's good for lazy 500.
A lazy 500.
Yeah.
Okay.
Best it's gone was 11.5. That's with the little tyre.
You're better off to throw the streeties back on.
Yeah, but I know what it'll do. I'm trying to make it go a bit quicker. So
Well, this is my favourite RX-7, mate.
Oh,
Love it.
I think there's only one here.
Yeah. Is that Range Rover stock?
No, definitely not.
Hey?
No, the stock is stock can be.
You're going the wrong way. Hey? Oh, is he? Al's about to take the Crown out for its first run. He's never run it before and he's never dragged before. So this is the first for him. We'll try and catch him on the track.
Hey, brother!
Hello, everybody.
How you going?
Alice Butler now. Alice big block scared. In the crowd. Or that crowd with a like a Alice Butler. Great offer. Got over. And leave it eat up.
How's it running? You had an issue earlier?
No, I'm just not allowed to run it right through.
Oh, okay. Looks good, mate. Sounds good.
That's good there,
Yeah, I know.
Hits the tyres and decides not to get into the run. Mind you, the utility goes through, goes 7.
Love the truck, mate.
I shouldn't have broken my other car.
Why is that?
Oh, I have to drive my truck.
Oh, how's she run?
Oh, well, it's got 190 horsepower standard and it's 30, 40, 50 years old, so she's...
It looks the goods,
yeah,
mate.
it's going to be slow. I'm hoping for a 13.
You did better than 13. You did a 10.
Yeah, but...
Well done. Jason had to make his choice for Tough Streeter by 12:30. Built not bought, grassroots and fellowship were his criteria, leading him to this group of mates having fun all with tough grassroots streeters. The award goes to the 55 Chev and the reactions are priceless.
Fucking hell! Fucking HQ!
So
I'm not staying, mate, for him to get an award. I'm fucking off now. I haven't even watched the fucking thing.
got a soft spot.
Perfect choice. So bloody Aussie.
55's on my dream to get list.
Not a
What do you mean? Mate, HQ's are everyone's dream. Come on.
You still here? You gonna get it?
Oh yeah. We got enough parts to make a good one.
Just don't f it again.
I'm not. I'll be driving home.
You know what's really funny? I've got a YouTube channel called Flip My Ride.
Flip my ride. Is
Yeah,
that right?
yeah, and the riding's very similar to that.
Is that
and I
right?
call myself FMR.
No way.
Yeah,
FMR
He'll give you a secret.
yeah. How's that? I saw it
you
before
go.
and went, no way. So I just sold a classic Mini, he had to get finance, and
Yep.
actually I'll take a card.
Yeah, mate, go for it.
Because if someone wants to buy something and they need the dosh,
Send them our way.
obviously it's income based and
Yeah,
commitment level and all
Yeah.
that shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Credit score, as long as I got a good credit score.
Yep.
So what's the point of difference over a bank? Is the repayments a bit nicer, or it's like
We're a little bit like the middleman sort of
Yeah,
thing.
okay.
So
You're a broker basically.
Yeah, we shop around all our lenders. We've got about 30, 40 lenders.
So
that
you're
we-
niching it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're pretty,
That's
yeah.
the word these days, niche down.
Niched it.
Oh, thanks mate.
No worries.
With the winners all selected, it was time for Santa to roll up in his golf buggy, can't see no reindeer here, and hand out the awards. Let's go, Santa. How'd that feel, mate?
It was pretty good. It's been a while since I've had it.
Yeah, that went good, eh? Did you expect that?
It went pretty good. It's hard to change gears with these big boots on and massive steering wheel, but hey.
It looked good, mate.
Let's try again.
That's just gorgeous, honest. Oh, yes, please. That could have been done. It worked well that time, 674.
You had a good day, mate?
Yeah, mate, we had a bit of fun.
PB?
Mate, today I did, yeah, I think it's 6:56, yeah, something like that, so, yeah.
Track was a bit off?
Yeah, it wasn't quite there, heat and, yeah, everything today, but, yeah. We had a lot of fun.
There's a bit of your money.
I did clean that.
It has been, how's the hair? Hair's fine? It has been a long day. Now it's the final. People, based on their times earlier in the day, have worked out what they reckon they'll do down a quarter. It's not with the Christmas tree. It's like with the arm drop, I think. Sorry, the sun's behind us. So, and everyone has, it's like a staggered start. Some people might get a 0.3 second head start against someone else. Anyway, the final's about to kick off, so we'll go and have a look.
Alrighty, well, you'd almost be that happy that you could almost think of this. You can almost put it on the hard tab. Lee Hill Road stands between him and the plot. Are you ready on the arm drop? I'll just stop. I don't know, that was so close, we should have a replay. Nah, I think that was Steve. That was Steve by a car and a bit.
What an awesome day. Great event, and congrats to the winners. With the sun setting, it is time to bid farewell.
How romantic.
Yes. First Christmas bash for 2022. There's a bunch of people who've done a really great job today, and one of them's Overtaking Lane.
Overtaking Lane Motor and Expo.
Yep, and Dave and Mick and the whole crew have been absolutely fantastic. It's a privilege actually for us to just stand here and be on the track. We've mixed it with all the people. They've had a challenge at the end where there was a bit of coin thrown into the pot. Everyone's having a few beers, we're all relaxing, and we're looking forward to 2023. Hope you enjoyed our footage. Jason's going to make his own little bit of a video out of this, and I'm going to do my part.
I just want to cut in. I want to say thanks to Adam. So I flew up from Melbourne.
You flew over?
Flew up from Melbourne.
Did you have your passport?
Yeah, mate, fully stat. And Adam was kind enough to host me and bring me to the event and drive me around and stuff, so I appreciate it.
No worries, mate.
Go follow Flip My Ride, follow Streetcar Culture. It's been a great event, beautiful people.
Flies.
You know what? I'm starting to like Brisbane. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
Yeah, I'm starting to like Melbourne, but because I've been there a little bit lately.
We have to do one of those like wife swaps.
I don't have a wife. Neither do you. What are we swapping, Jason?
I don't know, mate.
All right, look, we're going to go and chill out with the skid.
We're going to stick a few lemon squashes.
Yeah, lemon squashes with the Skid Factory, and
Dave from Overtaking Lane, a few others.
yeah, and enjoy the rest of the evening camping. And
Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed what we brought to you. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one, I guess.
Yep,
Cheers, big ears.
we'll be back again next year.
You didn't cheers with big ears.
I didn't know.
Oh, come on. Cheers,
Sorry.
big ears.
Cheers. All right, bye. We're going.